Differentiation of tasks and activities within an organization. The various multifaceted tasks and activities of an organization have to be divided into smaller, manageable components to facilitate efficient achievement of objectives. The most common basis of differentiation and division are function, product, location, and customer. In recent times, the two types of organization structures which have evolved are the matrix organization and the network organization. Differentiation by function. The grouping of activities according to the type of function performed in the most commonly used structure. You would find this only you would find this not only being widely used in business organizations but also in non-commercial organizations such as hospital, universities, etc. The functional structure is most suited when an organization is dealing with a single product or service. The activities can easily be segmented into similar complementary activities such as production, marketing, finance, purchasing, etc. Depending on the nature of the organization and its scope of activities, the functions it has to perform may differ vastly from those of another organization. For instance, one company which undertakes both manufacturing and marketing may have departments engaged in purchase, production, marketing, and finance. If it is selling a product such as TV or refrigerator, it may be also have an after sales service department. On the other hand, a company which is an ancillary to a parent company may have only departments of purchase, manufacturing, and finance, since it is selling its entire production to the mother companies where there is no need of for a marketing department. The most important advantage of functional structure is that it allows for specialization of work, thus ensuring the most efficient utilization of human resources. The other benefits of this form of departmentalization that there is concentration of authority and responsibility in the top man, thus ensuring there are no conflict arising from different authorities. The hierarchical line of responsibility is very clearly dis- delineated. The major disadvantage of the functional structure is that functional specialists often lose sight of the overall organizational objectives and work for narrow functional objectives rather than organizational objectives. The other major problem associated with this type of structure is that of coordination amongst so many functional departments, each with its unique set of constraints and problems. Differentiation by product. As a company moves from a single product or service to manufacturing a wide range of products, it may find that the functional structure is so longer effective. This is especially true if the products are very different from each other in terms of the technology, raw material, and manufacturing process used and the final product. In such a situation, the company may then have to adopt a structure which revolves around individual products or product lines. Companies such as Hindustan Lever manufacturing and marketing utter detergents, toiletries, chemicals, and agro-based products. Richardson Hindustan, with its range of Vicks products, Clearseal cream, and soap have structure revolving around different products. The extent of differentiation would vary from one company to another. One company may club all its toilet soaps, detergents, and washing powder in one product line, while another may differentiate between toilet soaps and detergents, or even between individual toilet soaps if they cater to distinct market segment or have a very different raw material base. The main advantage of using a product-based organization structure are that it facilitates optional utilization of specialized machinery and technological processes, permits greater coordination where specialized customer service is required, and enables product managers to be responsible for the profit generation of their department. Johnson and Johnson manufactures and markets a wide range of specialized surgical structured and accessories, as well as a range of products of children. Products based departmentalization ensures that the two major product lines operate as independent profit divisions, since there is almost no commonality in terms of manufacturing process, marketing skills, and market segment served. The biggest disadvantage of this type of structure is that it leads to duplication of managerial manpower, thus leading to highest costs. It also requires a strong leader to control the various product groups so that they do not become alienated from the overall organizational objectives. Differentiation by location. When an organization is departmentalized on the basis of location of different tasks and activities, then the organization is geographically organized. Food Corporation of India, in which functions and activities are differentiated on the basis of four different zones. The biggest advantage of differentiating the functions geographically is that it allows the maximum utilization of local resources and talents, as well as speedy decisions making in response to changes in local conditions. In fact, where the participations of local people is essential to the success of the organization, as in voluntary and social organizations, or geographic differentiation is ideal. The problems associated with this type of structure related to problems of top management control and require a large number of executives with general management skill to head the various area operations. Differentiation by type of customers. Another kind of possible grouping is by the type of customer served. A Delhi based company manufacturing electronic typewriters and desktop photocopiers had organized its sales force on the basis of its two product lines. The major customers segments were government or organizations, public sector companies, ministries, departmental undertakings, public libraries, etc., and private sectors companies. The companies was not very successful in its marketing efforts. Investigation revealed that the same customer organization was being visited by two different salesmen, one each for typewriter and copier, resulting in unnecessary duplication of effort and time. Moreover, the government and private sectors organizations each had a very different set of criteria governing their decisions to purchase. The sales approach, which succeeded in a difficult sector companies, could not be similarly applied to a government setup. The company then reorganized its sales force into two teams, one catering to the government sectors and the others to the private sectors, with each team having responsibility for both the product lines, which with the reorganized structure, the company was able to make a dent in the highly competitive market.